kind.
What?
It's the same kind, I'm pretty sure.
What's the same kind? 23?
Has 21.
No, oh, it says solve by graphing. It's a little bit different. Okay, so 23 says,
Is that 22?
the first one was 21.
21.
The second one is 23, and it gives you 4x squared plus x plus 3 equals 0, and it says solve by graphing. Okay, they want to make sure that you're practicing all the different methods. Okay, so if we solve by graphing, we can do it, we can plug in points, we can make an XY chart and plug in points, okay? Just like we did with our linear equations. So when x is 0, what's y? 3. When x is 1, what's y? We would have 4 times 1 plus 4 plus 3.
It's 8.
So it would be 4 plus 4 plus 3, which would be 8 plus 3, which is 11. So what happens if it's a negative 1?
Wait, no, mistaken.
11.
Yes, there, did I screw something
Yeah,
up?
there should be 4 plus 1 in this thing.
Oh, this should be a 4, a 1.
Root gets a mark.
Yes, you can mark me. This is a 1, this is a 1. So it should be 8.
Thank you.
So now we have to figure out what happens when it's a negative 1. So if it's a negative 1, it's 4 times, and negative 1 squared is still 1, but then it's plus a negative 1 plus 3. So this is 4 plus 3 minus 1. So you have 7 minus 1, which is 6. Can we graph these things? Sure, let's try it and see what happens. 23. We have the point 0, 3 here. We have the point 1, 8 here. We have the point negative 1, 6. Uh-oh, doesn't look like a parabola. We must have done something wrong.
It can be a tilted parabola.
It happens.
What?
The tilted parabola is going like up and to the right. Like,
No, you would either get it, it's either going to be symmetrical around the y or symmetrical around the x. So hang on, let's see if we did some math wrong. You plug in 0 for x, y is 3. So you plug in 1, 4 times 1, 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8. It's a no solution problem. That's why. It helps if I look in the book.
How do you figure out it's no solution?
Because when we graphed it, you're not getting a parabola.
Oh, and if you do the math right, then
And
it's
if
just,
if you check it by the quadratic, it'll come out as no solution. Okay. So this one's no solution. There you go.
you see my,
That's why. So now, a lot of times when you graph, though, like I just randomly chose those points, right? But that would, you might get something that looks like this, where you can start to see the side of a parabola, but you would have to keep graphing until you found what?
the other side.
The other side, or not even just the other side, but the vertex, because then you can come up the other side. So, but this, something was wrong because this doesn't even look like it's gonna form a parabola at all, right? Yes, sir.
Isn't the point of the x-axis 3, 0?
yeah.
Not 0,
But
3.
it's not 0.
No, well that could be part of my problem.
Yeah.
But
When
it's
x
still-
is 0, y is 3, it's still.
We get to mark you
Yeah,
again.
you can mark me again, that's fine.
Go, Sam.
Okay? Alright, let's do the next one.